Hi, I am Sachin Zadav. Registration number MTE 136 from Annasaheb Kalyani Vidyalaya, Satara. I am presenting video based PPT presentation 2019. It is a part of quality improvement in maths education. Project conducted by IIT Mumbai and RMSA. My topic of presentation is mensuration. Topic of description is surface area and volume of cuboid and cube. Our guides are Professor Inder K. Rana, IIT Bombay, and Professor Santosh J. Gharpure, IIT Bombay. Today's lecture is divided into three parts. First one is observe and explore. Second, define and prove. And third one is apply and evaluate. Here, observe this figure. Yes, this is a rectangle. These are the four sides of rectangle. These are the angles, and this is a area of a rectangle. All of we know how to calculate the area of a rectangle. Yes, area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Also, we know the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Similarly, if you observe this figure, this is a square, and these are the sides, these are the angles, and this is the area of a square. Also, we know the area of a square is equal to length into length. It means the length square, that is the side square. Also, the perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Observe these pictures. These are some cuboidal shaped articles that we see in day-to-day life. You can make a list of such type of the articles. Here is a cuboid and a cube. Observe and tell me what is the difference between shapes of surfaces of cuboid and cube. Yes, cuboidal surfaces are rectangular in shape, and cubes surfaces are square in shape, like this. Here, if you take a cuboid with length L, breadth B, and height H. If we open the cuboid like this, we will get 6 rectangular shapes that are the surfaces of cuboid. And same the way, if we open the square, we will get the 6 squares for the cube. To calculate the total surface area of cuboid, we have to add the areas of these 6 rectangles. Upper part and lower part, this rectangle whose length is L and breadth is B. Therefore, we have to take two surfaces, top and bottom, 2 into length into breadth, plus these two surfaces, area of these two surfaces, 2 into height into breadth, and 2 into length into height. Same the way, if we think about cube, there are 6 squares. To calculate the total surface area of cube, we have to add the areas of these 6 squares. We know the area of square is a L square, and for a cube there are 6 squares. Therefore, the total surface area of cube is 6 L square. Observe this figure. Here, if we take a bread and cut it into slices as shown in the figure, then each part will be a rectangle. It means if we put H congruent rectangles with unit height on each other as shown in the figure, we will get a cuboid. It means the volume of cuboid is equal to the area of H rectangles with unit height. We know the area of rectangle is equal to L into B. Therefore, the volume of rectangle is equal to L into B into height of H rectangles, that is area of a base into height. This is the general formula to calculate the volume of cuboid. Same the way, if we think about the cube, area of a base of a cube is a square, and if we put L squares with the same area on each other, we will get the volume of cube is equal to L cube. Let's see some examples. Length, breadth and height of cuboid shape box of medicine is 20 cm, 12 cm and 10 cm respectively. Find total surface area of this box. Here length is 20 cm, breadth is 12 cm, height is 10 cm. Total surface area of a box is 2 into length into breadth, 2 into H into B plus 2 into L into H. By substituting the values, we will get the answer like this. That is, the total surface area of a box is 1120 square cm. Question second, what will be the volume of cube having length of H 7.5 cm? Here length of cube is 7.5 cm. We know the formula to calculate the volume of cube is L cube. By substituting that values, we will get the volume of cube is equal to 421.88 cubic cm. Thank you.